Collapse and creativity appear closely linked in human history. Instability followed by transformation. Near disappearance followed by acceleration. Civilizations did not rise in a straight line. It pulsed. It fractured. It reassembled. It advanced. If disruption once reshaped humanity, then perhaps progress is not erased by collapse. Perhaps it is reconfigured. We are not simply the result of a slow evolution, we may be the result of survival cycles. And if that is true, then the question is no longer, did we almost disappear? The question is, what did we carry forward that we no longer remember?